Hi, my name is Raeesah Khan, and I am the module coordinator for Commercial Cookery 301 here in the Catering Management Program at the Department of Hospitality and Tourism. So my role as the module coordinator was to conceptualize this event for our Catering Management 3 students to give them a platform in where they can showcase their advanced pastry skills. Pastry in the world of hospitality is a scarce skill. Now, by inviting industry personnel and various stakeholders like our suppliers, we also give it an authentic experience whereby students can get real life feedback on how they are doing in terms of their culinary journey. This is our second high tea. We had one last year, and from this year we sought to broaden our community engagement. So not only have we invited stakeholders like our suppliers and our industry personnel, but we've also invited school educators and school learners for them to come and see and have a feel of what a catering management student does. And with this event, we are also hoping to increase our graduate employability with our students, so to give them a platform whereby their work is recognized. Some of the different things that we've done in this event is not only have we looked at pastry, but we've decolonized elements of the curriculum. So we are reclaiming our heritage in the culinary space as well. So in our offerings today, you would see that the students are presenting dishes that has some element of their culinary heritage. For example, amahebu panna cotta, with sijingi, with berry compote, and there are various other dishes in which the students have done to bring about this decolonization aspect.
Good day, everyone. My name is Asanda Alingwete from Durban Secondary School. We have been invited by DUT today to join them in this wonderful high tea. It is such a nice experience, to be honest. The people were very welcoming, the staff and the learners as well. The aesthetic is tops and everything so far is going well, and we'd like to thank DUT for taking this opportunity to invite us to such a wonderful event. Thank you.
Okay, good day to the people. My name is Mawanda Makoba and I come from Durban Girls Secondary. Today I was invited to the high tea event at DUT, and what I love about the event is the students. For one, they are very nice, kind, and the second is the setup and the trays.